today we're going to talk about how you can use your body wash more effectively, how you might be using it wrong, because I get all these letters from my viewers talking about how they use their body wash, and no guys, most of the people that I see are just doing it really all wrong. That is not to say that soaps are bad, but then yes, soaps can be messy, they can be slippery, and the worst thing is when somebody steals your soap, some family member only just steals your soap, starts using it, and you don't even know what's going on, right? So yes guys, if you want to know how to use body wash more effectively, just keep watching this video to find out. So the first thing that we need to talk about are different types of loofahs and sponges, but before we get there, if you don't want to buy any of those things, you can actually use a clean cotton cloth at home. You can just use a cloth like this. It's very simple. You don't even have to spend any extra money. If you roll it up properly, you can also use it to clean your back like this. Just hold it from both the sides and clean your back. That works, right? And if you want to hold it in your hand, you just fold it up something like this to make it nice and short and easy to hold, and just use it to scrub your body. However, looking at some loofah options and sponges, here are some of the most popular variants that you get in the market. Now this particular loofah is really good, although it does lead to some wastage. If you use extra body wash, it can actually just go seep inside, but this loofah is really good otherwise, because it leads to a lot of foam and can give you a very nice luxurious bath. Also, once again, as you can see, these loofahs usually come with these strings attached to the ends, which means you can also use it to scrub your back really well. Another great option are these glove cleaning these gloves basically, which are very gritty. So if you use these, you don't even need to buy a separate scrub for your body. These will actually scrub your body really well. Just don't use it in a very harsh way, just use it very gently, and that's good enough. So these gloves are also a very good handy option, and they give you a lot of control over which parts of your body you are cleaning, and you know how it's clean and how much pressure is applied where. Another option, now this one is again very popular, especially at hotels and spas. You might have seen these. These loofahs are very affordable, but they actually go bad very quickly. They are actually very difficult to clean, and mostly meant for those people who don't have very sensitive skin, or for cleaning your feet and all. These loofahs are really good. A complete opposite of this is this sponge. So this is mostly used for cleaning up your face, but if you have extremely sensitive skin, if your skin ends up getting rashes very quickly, you can actually get these sponges in a much larger size, and then you can also use it all over your body while using your body wash. This one also gives you a really nice foam, a very nice luxurious bath without really hurting your skin at all. And then of course this one, which is clearly for pedicure. So I'll just talk about this a little bit more in detail later, just telling you a little bit more about that. Now talking about body wash, guys, so I've talked about all kinds of body wash, shower gels, what is the difference between the two in one of my recent videos. So I'll put the link in the description box below if you want to know which body wash you want to use. For now, this is the body wash which I'm using, and it's actually very gentle. You can also use it on your face. So let's start by talking about that first. If you want to use a body wash instead of a face wash, like if you don't want to buy multiple products and just want to use one thing, you can actually use a body wash for your face as well. For that, you will need the sponge that I just talked about. Make sure it is wet, and then just pour a little bit of body wash on it, and do this to actually get a little bit of foam, and then just clean your face with this. This works perfectly, very well in a very gentle way. This actually cleans your face and also scrubs your face a little bit because of this sponge. It does not scrub your face very well, but just a little bit, and it works perfectly. So that is one way of using your body wash for your face. However, during the summer months, if you want to get a little bit more of your body wash, if you tend to get a lot of if you sweat a lot, and if you just want to do something about all the sweat accumulating on your skin, you can also add a little bit of turmeric or neem oil to your body wash. Because it's a liquid soap, you can actually add these ingredients, right? And talking about using body wash for your body, where of course we talked about all kinds of loofahs. For now, I'll just use a cloth because I think it just gives you a better demonstration and it works really well, plus it's affordable. So just take your cloth, hold it like this, and just pour your body wash, and of course just use it to clean your body like this, right? And that's a very good way, and that is basically how body wash is generally used for the rest of your body. However, if you want to use body wash for cleaning your feet, well, you can actually do that too, because you don't actually have to buy a separate foot cleanser for this. For this, you will just need one of these pedicure sticks like I showed you, and just use it with a bit of water and body wash, and you will get squeaky clean feet. So basically what I'm trying to tell you guys is that first of all, if you're using body wash on your body, please don't just directly pour your body wash in your your hands. This is where a lot of people really go wrong, because this is what I get in a lot of my letters where people are saying that I'm using body wash but it's just too, messy and all of that. So for that you need to use a cloth or these sponges and foams, because that will just help you get more out of your body wash and clean effectively, right? So that is one thing. And of course, apart from that, you can use it on your face like I just showed you. You can also use it for cleaning your feet like I just showed you. So you don't even have to buy multiple products. You can also use it with the gloves like I just showed you, so you don't have to buy a separate scrub as well. So body wash, as you see, is a very, very versatile thing, right? Because you can add things to it like turmeric and neem oil. You can use it for your face, for the rest of your body, for your feet, for so many things. And one bottle of body wash can give you all of these uses. So yes guys, that's what I wanted to share in today's video. If you found this video useful, which I really hope you did, because I think it's a useful video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also if you want to check out this video in Hindi, I have done this video in Hindi. You can check my Hindi channel, and the link will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.